Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to replace battery for First Alert smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. So in this one, if your alarm is beeping, then there is a chance that the battery is low. Then what you do is on the smoke, on the side, there is a pin. When you press it, the battery compartment opens. Then you just remove the battery that's installed. So in this one, if you see, the terminals were inside first, and then it doesn't matter which side the terminals goes, like if the positive goes on the left or right, it doesn't matter. So use the new battery and then insert it and then press this. And the compartment will close with a click. So that means the new battery is installed. But to reset the smoke alarm, you have to press this test button for 2 to 3 seconds. Then all the alarms will beep and then the reset will be complete. Now, even after changing the battery, your smoke still beeps. Then there can be two reasons. One, it's either malfunctioning, or two, that the alarm is expired. So to see that, so if you open it up, twist and open it up, at the back there will be a manufacturing date. So in this one, if I see this is 2021 October, so that means this smoke expires after 10 years, so which is 2031 October. So if that 10-year date is not passed yet, then what you can do is you can contact First Alarm customer service to provide you a replacement, because it's a malfunctioning unit. They will send you the new alarm and then you can just replace it. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helped you to replace the smoke and carbon monoxide alarm battery, or it's also called combo, please subscribe to the channel and follow for more videos. Thank you.